Hi everyone, my name is Ceci and I am a video correspondent for this summer. I will be studying abroad in Amsterdam, and this is my pre-departure video. I leave in 2 days, in this video I will be talking about what I'm excited for, what my feelings are, and just some pre-departure tips. So let's get started, I guess. My feelings about studying abroad this summer are they're all pretty positive. I'm very excited to go and just kind of explore everything on my own, but I'm also a little nervous about meeting new people, trying to make connections and things like that, because I'm the only one from my university going that I know of so far. The thing I am most excited about is, I'd say, exploring like Amsterdam and just the Netherlands in general, and even the countries surrounding, and like whatever European countries I can get to. I think it'll all be very fun to have a chance to kind of see the side of history and the side of society that is so different from that in America. So as I'm filming this right now, I have 2 days here left in the States before I am off. So I have pretty much everything packed already, and I was just gonna show what I packed, but before I do that, I wanted to just give some tips on what helped me decide what I wanted to pack. So first of all, like, I didn't know how much I needed to pack, and I looked it up and I found out like it's about a week's worth of clothes you can use for a month. And since I'm there for like two almost 3 months, that I packed about a week and a half of clothes. And then I decided to only bring things that I'd find I would use regularly. I'm not bringing anything that I rarely wear here. Also things that are very versatile, so I don't have anything with like extremely bright colors other than like a few certain things that can just be added onto outfits. Another thing that really helped me decide what to pack was looking up online, like using Pinterest. I thought was really helpful to see what people usually bring on study abroad trips. And I also looked up the usual climate of Amsterdam and what people wear. So it was a lot of like dark clothes that could be layered. Nobody's really ever super fancy for everyday wear. Also, it tends to rain quite a bit and it stays within the 60-70 degrees Fahrenheit kind of range, so I don't have like a ton of shorts. They're mostly just pants. So I'm gonna just show you what I packed. So these are my pants. I have 4 pairs of pants, 1 skirt, 1 pair of shorts. I have my pajamas right there. I have socks and tights and swimming suits and kind of miscellaneous things and accessories. And here I have my raincoat. Like I said, it rains. I have a cardigan in case I get cold, a knitted sweater, and blouse to throw on top. I have 1 formal outfit, 2 rompers, a dress, 2 long sleeves, 4 t-shirts, and 2 sleeveless shirts. And I think they're all very comfortable. I decided not to bring anything that I felt I'd be uncomfortable in. For shoes, I just have a pair of boots, a pair of sandals, and 3 pairs of sneakers. Everything that I packed, I made sure that I could switch it from day to night. Also made sure to have things that I could layer with. Alright, that is the end of my first video. Next time I am seen again, I will most likely be on my way to Europe or already there. I will catch up with everybody later. Bye!